Hello everyone, here in this video tutorial I will show you the exact process how you can get any MATLAB projects totally free. So here's our YouTube channel and we have done a lot of projects right over here, and I will put the link in the description. And here is our store which we created few months back, and here you can see a lot of projects are listed here, and majority of them are totally free, and some of them are priced a little, and the pricing is just around $5 or $10. Here let me show you two projects. The first one here, and this project is totally free. Here you can see there is no price. And the other project which you can see here, which is about tie lines, and this project is priced around $20. But still, if you don't have the payment, still you can get this project totally free. So what exactly you have to do, just here is our store, and here you can visit this section which get premier projects for free, means paid projects you can get without paying anything. So here we just write some description, you can go through it. The best part about is that, or the conclusion of this section is that if you have done some load flow, or if you have done some part of objective function related to coding, or related to some charts, or even Excel sheet where data related to load flow analysis optimization algorithms, means you have done some kind of research, and you think that the research or the progress which you have developed, or you understand some specific part, you can explain to our YouTube community, and our YouTube community can get benefit from that. Means the time, the efforts which you put into learning and making understanding of something, some objective function, you have to make a explanatory video about that, and you have to send that video to us. We will take a look and visualize that video, and after taking that video, we will share with you the project which have some price. We will send that project totally free, and for that you must have to first contact us at our email, and after email you have to mention that you can do this kind of specific task. You can do, you can make a video for us, for our team, and in replace of that, in return you want that project. We will just take a look at your specific project, and the part which you have done. So we will check both the parameters, and then we will share the project with you. The video which you will make for us, we will upload that video to our YouTube channel, so our community can get benefit from that, and we can share any project which is listed right over here into this section, and many projects will be updated on the in the upcoming days. And if you have some kind of MATLAB project files which you want to share, and you want to get another one, then still you can contact us on our email, and we will start discussion related to it. And please like the video. I will put the links of YouTube channel and this store in the description. Just go through it, and please like the video.